Hey y'all, Joe here, Southern Coastal Cooking, coming at you again. Got a wonderful piece of cookware tonight to share with you y'all. This comes from our friends over at the Oyster Bed. The people who created the Oyster Bed, they created some wonderful, it was like a big metal cooking tray for oysters where you can put the oysters in there. You've seen I've done a video with it on my grill. Take them out of the half shell, put them in there with butter and everything, they cook wonderfully. Well, now they've actually come up with a solution to something I've wanted for years. They came up with what they call the steak bed, okay? And what the steak bed is, it's basically a tray or plate with a little indentation in it, made just like that oyster bed out of basically the same materials, but you can cook and serve your steak right here. You ever been to a really high-end steakhouse and you've had, your steak where it's sizzling right there on the plate? Well, that, is just like what you can have here, but you can also cook your steak, set on a little wooden trivet or something like that. So I'm going to show you. I've done it earlier. I was cooking some moose actually. My sister brought me, but anyway, what I suggest is take a high temp oil like this grapeseed oil. Just put a little bit of oil on it. You don't have to. It's just what I suggest. And I just kind of rub it down before I put it out there on the grill. And what I'll do is I'll set it out there on the grill, let it get up to temp, put my steak on it and stuff like that. That way we can serve the steak right there on the platter, okay? And melt some. I've got some wonderful compound butter that we've made with some black garlic, wonderful stuff. So let's just I'll go heat these up on the grill. All right, so now what we're gonna do is go ahead and put the steaks on. The platter's ready. Really hot here. Get that bad boy right there. One right there. One for the back platter. And let those go a few minutes just on that side. I mean, you can see how those are sizzling. That's what we want, cooking right there on the platter. And we'll turn them here shortly. But for right now, they can just cook and go good. Alright, y'all, we're gonna go ahead and give them a turn now. We're gonna here a couple minutes. Hate that the lighting's so bad out here tonight, but this is the last thing we're cooking today. Let's go ahead and turn this bad boy. Oh yeah, well, I mean that's a nice sear right there on them. That's what you want. Alright. And then we'll go from side to side or whatever and get them good sear on the other side. Oh, I'm about to give it another flip here. So I just want to get the little sear. I mean, it's amazing how this thing sears. Oh yeah, I mean perfect. You can ask for better sear. Put them on the side now. Yeah. Beautiful sear right there. Okay? Let it go from that and we'll just kind of flip sides. Alright, now that we've seared these pretty good, what I'm going to do, I've got some compound butter I made with some black garlic earlier. We're just going to kind of put the butter on top of them. Let that butter melt here in a pan or in a plate, however you want to call it, and really get in good with this steak. So that's going to be real nice, y'all. Just put that in there. And it's just going to help this flavor. Look at that. Right there. And just go with it. That black garlic and everything. A wonderful flavor. Hope y'all can see that there. And we'll just kind of toss these steaks around in that. Get all sides, everything. That wonderful black garlic and butter. Okay, just like that. Oh yeah. Okay, now we're pretty much ready to take them off. That's what you want, that steakhouse. Let me grab something, we'll grab them and bring them in the house. Alright y'all, we got steaks inside here. Just give one of these steaks a try. Cut into it. I love how, you got to find you something to set this thing on. A little piece of wood underneath it, but whatever. We just, this dang camera. Let's see what we do out here. Oh yeah, look at that. Nice pink in the center. And the coolest thing about this is you can, if it's still too pink, somebody wants that, you can cook it right here on the plate. Look, watch this. And we literally just cook that piece right there. It's still hot. Let's give it a taste. That's awesome. Fabulous. Y'all gotta try these steak beds. My best way to cook a steak, hands down. Yeah, really, really good, like fine steakhouses. Thank y'all so much. So please check them out. Put them in the description box. Like my video, sub my channel. God bless y'all. Thank you very much.